Hey, what's up guys? It's Frank Medrano here. A lot of people are asking me how to get started in calisthenics. There's a lot of beginners out there that are not sure what exercise you should be doing or in what order. I'm going to show you a perfect beginner workout that you could do for any beginner getting started in calisthenics. Alright guys, so today we're going to do the perfect beginner calisthenics workout for any beginner getting started in calisthenics. And today we're going to do it with Chris.
Hi Frank, how you doing?
What's up, brother? So Chris is just starting his calisthenics journey and he's not sure on what exercise he should be doing. He just signed up in my bodyweight training course. He's getting started, he's just starting his journey, he's really excited. And we're going to go through one of those workouts. Now, tell me, what are one of the things that you're struggling with the most, or what do you want to learn?
I'd like to learn, Frank, how to build a foundation so that I can have clarity on how I can build upper body strength. I'd like to build upper body strength so that I can be able to do more push-ups, and so that I can also be able to do more pull-ups and be able to develop just my upper body. That's what I'd like to learn.
Okay, that's great. So the workout that we're going to do is perfect for that, because we're going to make sure we work every body part with just calisthenics, and we're going to do exercises that are eventually going to elevate you and be able to progress into a harder exercise and increase your reps at the same time. So let's do this. All right, the very first exercise we're going to do are max push-ups. What we're going to do is we're going to start in a push-up position. Our hands are going to be right underneath our shoulder blade. We're going to keep our body nice and straight. We're not going to arch down. We're going to keep it nice and straight. We're going to keep our head looking down, and we're going to go for one push-up all the way down, slow and controlled, back up. We're going to max out. Once we max, we're going to get our knees and max out that way. Ready? Go. Right, that first exercise we did was for chest. Now we're going to target our back. We're going to do some laying down floor pull-ups. You could use resistance band, you could use an old t-shirt or no towel. We're going to lay on the ground. We're going to make sure our feet are touching the ground. We're going to extend our arms out. We're going to create a little tension, not too wide. And we're going to bring it in under our chin and back out. We're going to squeeze our lats every time we come in. Let's go. Our next exercise we're doing are bench dips or box dips. What we're going to do is we're going to find two elevated surfaces like this. You can use a bench, a box, anything where you're at appropriate level. You're going to place your hands right underneath. They're going to be close, almost touching. You're going to extend your feet out about 90 degrees, and you're going to slowly come down and come back up. You're going to look straight forward. You're going to max out. Right, the next exercise we're going to do, we're going to max out in bodyweight rows. We're going to focus on our biceps. We're going to find a lower bar such as these, and we're going to do rows, and we're going to max out, really squeezing the biceps as we go up. So we're going to get right underneath the bar. He's going to have an underhand grip, and the grip is going to be close, and we're going to extend our feet out with our knees bent. And pull up, squeeze. Next next exercise we're doing are pike push-ups. We're gonna focus on our shoulders. We're gonna max out. We're gonna get on all fours and we're gonna lift our hips up. If you want to get down, we're gonna form a V, lift our hips up, and we're gonna go down to our head. Next exercise we are doing are air squats with a calf raise. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get a standard shoulder width stance. We're gonna keep our feet planted on the ground, and we're gonna press up with our heels as we go up with the squat. As we go up with the squat, we're gonna transition into a calf raise. We're gonna put our hands in front of us. We're gonna keep our back nice and straight. So we're gonna go down, back straight, heels planted, go up, calf raise. Okay, for the following exercise, we're gonna do a knee tuck hold, knee raise. We're gonna max out, we're gonna hold it as long as we can. And then once we tire out, we fatigue, we're gonna go straight into some knee raises. We're gonna max out with that. We're gonna make sure we grab a shoulder width stance. We're gonna keep our body nice and straight as we're doing this. We're gonna use our core and our abs to keep us up there. Okay, we're gonna finish off this circuit with a plank. We're gonna hold for 30 seconds. We're gonna start by getting on all fours. We're gonna get our forearms on the ground. We're gonna keep them parallel. We're gonna put our feet close to each other, touching. We're gonna keep our body nice and straight, and we're gonna engage our core. And we're gonna hold it for 30 seconds. Nice.
Thank you.
How do you feel?
I feel good. I feel good. I feel accomplished.
Nice, great. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna rest, 3 to 5 minutes, and then we're gonna repeat it. We're gonna do 2 to 4 cycles. All the exercises that we did are meant to get you stronger with bodyweight training, and the perfect combination. Keep staying with the program. For all of you guys who want a more detailed program to progress and updated workouts every month, go to my website, subscribe, and get updated meal plans and workouts, and take your goals to a new level.